Why learning English is a game changer. English is not just a subject, it's a tool for the modern world. It connects over 1.5 billion people. It's the language of business, science, and technology. More than 75% of emails, over 60% of internet content, and 90% of research papers are all in English. If you want to study abroad, work globally, or even share your message with the world, English helps you do it. It gives you access to knowledge, better job opportunities, and a voice in international conversations. But here's the key. English doesn't change who you are. It adds to who you are. It's not about copying others. It's about standing stronger in who you already are and using your voice wisely. Learning English builds your brain. It improves your memory, problem solving, and even boosts your confidence. It's not just vocabulary, it's a skill that can shape your future. So why learn English? Because it's a tool, a bright to the world, a way to open doors and unlock possibilities. Your values stay the same, but your reach, it gets bigger. And that's the power of language done right.